I'm Mehmet Güler from Entes Electronics. I'm on the tech support team. Today, I'll talk about our product MPR-47SE with Ethernet input. We received our product. I'm opening the box. Our product comes with a user manual specific to the product inside the box. I recommend you to review this. Our product includes 4 plastic mounting adapters for mounting on a 96x96 panel cover inside the box. There is 1 battery included in the box for the product. This product must be installed in order to keep its date and time up to date. Analyze terminal structure and connections of our product. Red terminal in this section is power supply of devices A1, A2. 5270 volt AC/DC voltage should be applied. On the right side we have K1 L1, K2 L2, K3 L3, K4 L4 coming from our current transformers. Utilized to measure neutral current of K4 and L4. Not obligatory. Connection is discretionary. Also, voltage measurement terminal at bottom. Here, 5300 volts neutral connected to 5480 volts phase. V1, V2, V3, VE and N. Neutral is connected to 16 in section N. We have RS485 terminal on the bottom. Connect the ground wire to the terminal. BA is connected to the end and TR terminal is found. Since our device supports Ethernet input, we need to connect our Ethernet jack to the terminal located on the side. Again, our battery from the box needs to be placed in the battery slot on the top. Attach by paying attention to the plus direction. Proceed with installing our device. We connected and installed our product, supplied the energy. Greeted with language selection on the initial setup screen. It offers support for Turkish, German, French as well as English languages. We press set button and confirmed. He asks how we connect type of connection from voltage measurement input on back of device. We connected 3 phases and 4 wires and we connected our neutral. The user manual shows the selection of other connection types. We select 3-phase and 4-wire connection. We push the set button and verify. Here we are greeted by a step-up transformer. If we use a voltage transformer in the network, when we activate and set it, it asks for the primary and secondary ratio of the voltage transformer. Enter values. In this step, don't use voltage transformer, put it in passive mode. Look, it went out again next to me. We pressed the button, we approved. The secondary of the current transformer supports CTs with outputs of 5A and 1A. Since our CT is 5A, we choose 5A because we use a CT of 50 to 5 and confirm it with set. He asked for the primary of the CT again. We can adjust to a CT of 1000 to 5 if needed. Here there are 4 coming out on our display screen. We have a back arrow here to go back. Stepped on this one by one, set to 0 on down button. Moving forward, pressed arrow as adjusted to 50 to 5. We can increase or decrease these numbers using the down button. Look, Euro 5T. We created a set. The frequency requests our frequency supports 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Because we use 50 Hz, it flickered at 50 Hz. We started. There is a tension here. This voltage is constant. 230 volts. We are moving forward. Look at the time zone in the province and region where we are. If we are in the country, we need to enter the GMT time zone that we are in here. We can set it from here. Due to the importance of communication and the log records we can receive later, it is necessary to enter this with the current date and time. Current date entered. Clock setting must be done correctly again. End pass closed here. Using our app, changes can be made. We select the closed end pass. We create a set. Resetting text appeared. Installation of our device is completed. Ready to use now. We were greeted here with a fuzz neutre measurement screen. Here we see voltage levels measured by fuzz neutre for each fuzz. Initially, voltage, current, frequency shown on first button. Stepping on it reveals numerous measurements. When pressing the set, we can see the min and max values it measures, like this. There are P, P, F buttons on the side once more. Power and power factor. Here we can see the reactives. Powers when pressed in order. Visible powers. Since there is an energy meter menu on the device, we produce and consume electricity in the grid. Since it measures reactives here, it's with actives. When we press the E key, we're greeted with a K-double-dot screen. There is a measurement of the energy parameter at this location. When we generate and supply energy to the grid during periods of surplus, it is discovered in solar power plants and wind power plants. There are also bidirectional counters for the same parameters. There are also tariffs. There is a menu for THD. Here we can see the harmonics measured when we press THD. We're proud to be with you in all your energy apps and energy quality solutions as Entes Electronics.